Pressure gradients, cohesive force. This segment will demonstrate pressure gradients and also the cohesive property of water. A pressure gradient is the movement of a fluid from an area of higher pressure to an area of lower pressure. This can also be described as a pressure differential or gradient. These coupled syringes have been assembled so the one on the left is filled with water. Dye has been added to aid visual clarity. Note that the syringe on the right has its plunger fully seated to the bottom of its cylinder. At this time, atmospheric pressure on the air side of both plungers is equal, which causes the water to remain in a static state. This is also known as a no-flow condition. To cause the water to move from one cylinder to the other, a pressure gradient must be created. One way of achieving this is by applying pressure by pushing the plunger on the left, which causes the water to move from left to right, filling the right side cylinder. Note that because water is virtually incompressible, its volume does not change while moving in a flow condition. It is only able to move and change shape. The other way to create a pressure gradient is to pull back on the plunger on the left. The pressure removed from the water on the left cylinder causes the atmospheric pressure exerted on the right plunger to become higher by comparison. This pressure gradient, in conjunction with water's property of cohesion, moves the water from right to left. Cohesion is the property of water that makes its molecules cohere or stick to themselves. Understanding of these concepts is important when designing water supply and drainage systems.